The intelligent speed assist warning beeps on the BMW 3 Series are impossible to ignore. This walkthrough shows how to silence them with Beep Away. We're using a 2024 BMW 3 Series as our example today. The same steps apply to any car with intelligent speed assist and a cabin USB port. Beep Away generates a VIN-matched configuration file to stop the annoying warning beeps. Everything else in your car keeps working as before. The homepage shows the 4-step process. Select your car, enter your VIN, load to USB, and plug it in. Scroll down and select BMW. Tap Show More if you don't see your brand. Beep Away supports most modern car makes with ISA warning chimes, not just the ones shown. The same steps work for every supported manufacturer. Next, choose your specific model from the grid. We'll select the 3 Series. Every model follows the same configuration steps. Your BMW 3 Series is confirmed and ready for configuration. The process is fully reversible and will not affect your vehicle warranty. Create your account to generate your config file. Enter your name, email, and password, then accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You're signed in automatically and taken straight to the Configure Wizard. After signing in, the Configure Wizard opens on Select Vehicle. Choose 2024 for your BMW 3 Series. Then tap Next to enter your VIN. Enter your vehicle identification number so Beep Away can tailor the config file. On a BMW, the VIN plate is usually at the driver's side base of the windscreen. It must be exactly 17 characters, letters and numbers only, no I, O, or Q. Beep Away is creating a personalized config file matched to your VIN. This stops the annoying warning beeps on your exact car. Generation usually completes within 30 seconds. Open My Configs from the dashboard sidebar to track your order. Pending means your file is still being prepared. Click View Config to continue when your file is ready. Your order is ready for your BMW 3 Series 2024. You'll receive a personalized configuration file and a step-by-step installation guide. The config is locked to your VIN for your protection. Download your configuration file. BMW 3 Series 2024 ISA config file, personalized for your VIN. Also download the installation guide PDF for step-by-step instructions. Save both files on your computer. You'll load them onto USB in the next steps. Format your USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT for compatibility with your car. You need at least 1 GB of free space. Select Quick Format and click Start to prepare the drive. Copy BMW 3 Series 2024 ISA config file to the root of your USB drive, not inside a folder. The drive should show only your config file at the top level. Safely eject the drive from your computer before taking it to the car. Take your prepared USB stick to the car. Start your vehicle or switch to accessory mode so the infotainment system is on. The USB port is usually in the center console or front armrest. Insert the USB stick into your car's USB port. The config file is tailored to your vehicle's board computer and VIN number. Within seconds, the annoying warning beeps stop. Like all new BMWs, your 2024 3 Series comes with intelligent speed assist that issues a warning beep whenever it detects you're over the limit. It reactivates every time you start the car and often misreads signs, making those warning beeps a constant presence. Beep Away silences this permanently, allowing all other car functions to work exactly as they should. The Beep Away config loads directly from the USB stick. It doesn't flash or rewrite your car's firmware. Simply remove the stick at any time, and your car's factory warning sounds will return. While we've used a BMW 3 Series for this demonstration, the Beep Away steps are identical for any supported car. Owners of many different brands are experiencing the same ISA warning beep issues. If you drive a 2024 BMW 3 Series, you're not alone. Owners universally describe the same relentless ISA warning beeps. Discussions often highlight beeps for even minor overspeeds, settings that reset with every ignition cycle, and menus that only offer temporary relief. That's why so many are looking for a true solution, and we'll answer a few common questions about it next. Beep Away loads a reversible configuration from the USB only while the stick is plugged in. Remove the stick, and your car returns to its original state. Nothing is permanently rewritten to your vehicle. If warranty terms are crucial for your specific lease or country, always review your own documentation. Yes, BMW 3 Series owners follow the exact same beep-away process you've just seen. To confirm compatibility for your specific vehicle, enter your VIN on beepaway.com before ordering. You'll need a computer, a USB stick, and about 10 minutes of your time at home. No dealer visit, no complex coding tools, and no special cables are required. You can select your car, enter your VIN, and download your custom configuration directly from Beepaway. Simply search Google for Beepaway, or go straight to beepaway.com. This guide and configuration are intended for use on private property only. Beepaway is not licensed, certified, or approved for use on public roads or in moving traffic.